How to get healthy nails. There are many factors that can affect your nail health, such as nutrition, hydration, exposure to water and chemicals, and nail care habits. Here are some tips to help you get healthy nails. Step 1. Take a biotin supplement. Biotin is a B vitamin that can help strengthen your nails and hair. You can find it in foods like eggs, legumes, and sardines, or take a supplement with your doctor's approval. Step 2. Minimize exposure to water. Too much water can weaken your nails and cause them to split. Wear gloves when washing dishes or cleaning, and avoid soaking your nails for too long. Step 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water can help your nails retain moisture and prevent them from becoming brittle and breaking easily. Step 4. Pay attention to your diet. Eat a balanced and varied diet that provides enough vitamins and minerals for your overall health and your nail health. Some nutrients that are important for nails are protein, iron, zinc, calcium, and vitamin C. Step 5. Be careful about the products you use. Avoid nail polish and remover that contain harsh chemicals like acetone, formaldehyde, or toluene, as they can damage your nails. Step 6. Avoid biting your nails or picking at your cuticles. These habits can injure your nail bed and increase the risk of infection. Instead, trim your nails regularly and gently push back your cuticles with a wooden stick. Step 7. Apply moisturizer. Use a hand lotion or oil that contains ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, or jojoba oil, and massage it into your nails and cuticles. Step 8. Use a nail file. Instead of cutting your nails with scissors or clippers, use a nail file to shape them and smooth out any rough edges. Step 9. Don't use your nails as tools. Don't use your nails to open cans, peel stickers, or scratch surfaces, as this can cause them to chip, break, or split. Use a proper tool instead, or ask for help if you need it. I hope these tips help you get healthy and beautiful nails. Smiling face with smiling eyes. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.